Guys, we tested all these breakfast sausages to see which one is best. Now, it was just in our local area. Went to 2 different stores, so if you got your own favorite, let me know down below what you like. But we're gonna give these 7, 8 brands. One of them I bought twice. We're gonna give them a shot. Let's get these cut open and get them onto the griddle. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and do this so that they're all kind of kept separate. It's kind of difficult, but hey, that's what I'm here for. First up is old Bob Evans. Old Bob. Hey, Bob. I'm gonna do like 2 patties per brand. All right. Now, you're probably thinking, how you gonna know if it's the best, Hussey? And, you know, if you're just gonna try, well, I'm gonna blindfold myself, okay? All right, Bob. Bob's right here. Bob, 2. 2, Bob. 2, Bob. And I'm gonna put these right here, back right there. So left here, left over there, all right? Next, oh, Jimmy Dean. Jimmy Dean. Hey, boy. Woo, Jimmy. That was a little excessive, actually, wasn't it? Yeah. There we go. Hey, I tell you what, I like an old Jimmy Dean. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Did y'all eat Jimmy Dean? Jacob? Yeah. One of our favorites. We're gonna do old Jimmy. And Jacob's gonna hand these sausages to me, so while I'm blindfolded, so that I won't, you know, be on to anything. So got Jimmy. Jimmy's next in line there. That's not gonna be how Jacob hands them to me though. Next up, Gwaltney. Gwaltney. Let's see how you are, Gwaltney. Oh, Gwaltney. Gwaltney looks a little bit different than the rest. Look at that. Kind of like an opaque look to it. Softer than the others. Kind of don't look good, does it? Oh, it look like sausage. Gwaltney. Gwaltney's next. Right there. Okay. Here we go. And put Gwaltney over here. 3rd in line. What's next? I've never even seen this brand before. It's called Gano's. Gano's brand. Where's it out of here? It says Alexandria, Virginia. Alexandria, Virginia. We'll clean up here a little bit. There we go. All right. Good. Gano's. All right. These things are hard to cut, Jacob. There we go. We'll have to. Gano's. All right, Gano, you're right there. Gano, you're right there. No, yeah, it could be. Oh, I don't. Yeah, it could be. Nose, maybe. Nose brand, yeah. I'm sure somebody, Alexandria, Virginia, there's somebody out there that knows how it's pronounced, and they're going to tell me. They're probably going to tell me how stupid I am too, you know. And the fat joke, right? Because we always got a fat joke in. It's like one guy, he's like in middle school still, you know. What is this? Great Value Original. This is just the old, you know, the old Walmart brand here. I got, so I went to 2 stores. I didn't go to 20 stores. I went to 2 stores. I went to Food Line and went to Walmart, okay? So, like I said, I'm sure there will be other stores out there that have other sausages, but I'm not running all over Tarnation for it, all right? Let me see here. I could actually, I'll just put this over here on this side. This right here is Great Value, right there, right there. Put Great Value right here, okay? Next, my favorite, one of my favorites. I got a couple favorites. Nieces sausage, right out of Greensboro, North Carolina. And this is not going to be circular, but it will be. I should probably do it circular so I don't think like I know what it is. You know what? We'll try to put it in a little circle here. Here we go. Nieces. I bought Swaggerty's twice. That's how much I like it. Just kidding. Just didn't realize I bought it. So Swaggerty's is here. Swaggerty. I actually like Swaggerty's. Pretty good. And last but not least is the Food Line brand breakfast sausage. So we got a nice little lineup here. And I'm kind of looking forward to tasting all these. All right, so what do we got? What is this called here? Bob Evans, Jimmy Dean, Gwaltney, Nose, Great Value, Nieces, Swaggerty, Food Line. We're gonna cook these. We're gonna bring you right back. I'm gonna clean up my board, all that kind of good jazz, all right? Y'all don't mess around. I'm gonna blindfold myself, and Jacob's gonna shoot with his bow and arrow an apple over top of my head. All right, so come back. All right, so our sausages are done. They're temping nice. Just overall looks. I mean, they all look pretty good. Some of them brown better than others. These up here, let's see, that's the Bob Evans. Jimmy Dean. Jimmy Dean, I feel like from a cooking standpoint, looks the best. How it browned up, so. And then this one don't look too bad either. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, the gnomes or whatever. So this one is the Food Line. It's a little lighter, so I don't know if it just don't have something to it or what, but number 1 is off. 1, 2, it's Bob Evans. Hey, Bob. Number 2, old Jimmy. Old Jimmy. I wonder if I had a sausage my name. They're like Matthew Hussey. That wouldn't fly very good, would it? No. Like Jimmy Dean, that sounds good. Now this right here, both Jacob and I kind of was like, these look weird. This is the Gwaltney. And then the Gnomes of Alexandria, Virginia. I'm gonna let these cool down a little bit. And then this is the Great Value. The home team. Nieces. And this one actually turned out really good too. This is the Swaggerties. Swagger? Huh?
They got swag.
Swag, yeah. Yeah, that's what it is, right? Swaggerties, yeah, Swaggerties, that's right. Alrighty. Well, there you go. I mean, like I said, I mean, from color standpoint, I mean, 1 to 10, I mean, all of these are good. I mean, that's a 7. That's about a 10 right there. 5 right there. Another, I like that color a little bit better. I don't know, both sides. That's about an 8. I'd say that's an 8. This right here is really good too. This and the Jimmy Dean is very similar. This is the Swaggerties. And then the Food Line, that's a good 6 on the color wise. So yeah, we're gonna let this cool off and then we're gonna get blindfolded. We're gonna give it a try. So y'all come right back. Y'all give me 5 minutes. We're ready for some sausage. Woohoo! All right, where am I? All right, this is the wall. It's pretty close, right?
Close.
Oh, there you go. All right.
Don't burn yourself.
Where am I at?
Move to your right a little bit.
Right, okay.
Okay, that's it, yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, we're blindfolded. I can't see a darn thing. I do got some mowing guys going off in the distance, but that's okay. Y'all just bear with me. I got a, where's my water to sip this down with, Jacob?
Your water?
Yeah. This is to cleanse my palate right here in between sausages, all right? Woo, take a little sip, it's hot out here. Ah, that's good water right there. See, there's a ledge somewhere, I don't want to drop it. All right, okay, I'll just do it like this, all right. Jacob's gonna hand me one. He's writing notes to which one he gives me which, all right? And a lot of people on the last, thing we did, they say, oh, you need to be blindfolded. So here we are. I'm gonna rate them, 1 to 10.
Okay.
1 being bad, 10 being good.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here's the first one.
Okay. Okay. I mean, breakfast sausage. You want a little bit of sage now. There were more varieties. Extra sage, but I wanted regular, original bacon. Sausage. That's pretty good. I give that a good, that's a solid 8.2. 8.2.
You do points.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that way, it's the tenth place can help, decide who's the winner. You know what I'm saying? 8.2. A little water to cleanse the palate. All right.
Where's the next one?
If you need to put that one back wherever it was.
You want me to?
Yeah, that way you can. I get it. No, that's fine. You'll know.
Okay.
All right, this one. Okay. I may have cooked that one, maybe a little bit. Maybe the patty was a little smaller.
You want to try the
But,
other one?
huh?
You want to try the other piece?
Yeah, let me try the other piece. Good sage. It's got a little bit of a heat to it, so there's pepper. A little bit of pepper. Get that red pepper. A little bit of sage. Not quite as much sage. The sage flavor is a little bit different. Okay. I give that a 7.3. 7.3. All right. Not bad. Got to cleanse the palate. A little water.
You ready for the next one?
Ready.
There you go.
All righty. Number 3. It's just kind of, it's just like meat.
This is still really meat.
I mean, it's meat, but a little bit of sage, a little bit of peppery, but not, it's not like hitting you or I mean, it's just, I'm gonna give this a good 7, Jacob.
We should have done vegan.
7. What was the other? 7 point something?
The other one was a 7.3. The last one you did?
Okay.
Are you ready for the next one?
Yep. Are you gonna remember what we did so I can see what I rated what?
Yeah, I'm writing them down.
Okay. Number 4, right?
Yeah.
Huh. Maggie. This one has a kind of different texture. It's real soft. I don't know if I like it or I dislike it. It's not bad. It's just real, the texture. A little different texture. I don't get a lot of sage. It's real mellow. It's a real mellow sausage. Not bad, especially if you got like kids or somebody that's kind of sensitive, but I'm gonna give us a 6.8. 6.8 is fine. That's not bad. Texture's a little different.
What's your fifth one?
Wonder which one Maggie I want. I don't really care for this one too much. It's okay. I mean, if it's all I had to eat, I'd eat it. I mean, it don't taste gross, but there's a little bit of a taste to it. I'm gonna give this one a, what'd I give that? A 6.8?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a 6.
A
6. Yeah.
6 or 6.6?
6.
Okay.
6.
Let me make sure I'm in the right order. Can we do it?
I mean, it wasn't disgusting, but. Are you here?
Okay. Yeah, I'm here.
This thing's like dark.
Here you go.
All right. This one's not bad. Good little sausage flavor here. It's kind of rich sausagey. You know, it's got the sage, fennel, you know, that kind of stuff. It's not real spicy. I give this one an 8. Nice solid 8.
Okay.
Yeah. It's good all around right here. It's hard to do a 10, just so y'all know.
That's the highest you've done so far.
10?
No, 8 is the highest you've done so far.
Okay. Yeah, not bad.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Not a bad one again. Kind of, you know what? I didn't. I about went through a whole glass of water. This ain't bad either. 7.7.
7.7. Okay, you ready for your last one?
Last one?
Yeah.
Ah, I need some sorbet.
Here you go.
Why are you laughing?
No reason.
Is this? Oh. It's pretty good. The sausage flavor is nice and very, very sausagey. 7.8.
7 point. Okay, before you take the blindfold off, do you want to guess which one was your favorite?
I bet you my favorite one was Swaggerty's, wasn't it?
No.
Oh. What's it, the Food Line?
Nope.
The Gnome.
Nope.
Macy's?
Nope.
What? Great Value?
I lied to you.
Huh?
I lied to you.
Oh,
It's the nose.
the Nose was my favorite?
Yeah, by 0.2, it beat Jimmy Dean by 0.2.
Jimmy Dean, hey, it was good sausage. I could take my blindfold off.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll be honest, and I don't want to say, you know, people have different, you know, taste buds and all that. I mean, they're all, if you put that on my plate with some eggs and stuff like that, I'll eat every one of these in a heartbeat, y'all. But hey, give some of these a try. Let me know what you like. Hey, let me know what you like for me to try next as well. And you know what? There might be some, what is it, girl?
I gave one.
You did? Did Jacob give you some? It's old Maggie tax right there. Hey, let me know down below what you like. And yeah, there might be some bloopers at the end of this. I don't know, but I'll check you next time. Love you.